Hello and welcome to the Daily Facts video. These are new videos which are going to be posted every day, giving you little fun facts and information on gardening items. So I hope you enjoy them and make sure that you come back every day to see each day's daily fact. They'll be posted on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with when they're posted, or also check back on my website as they will be posted daily on there. And my website is www.theyorkshiregardener.com. Today's daily fun fact is about sunflowers again. Yes, I've done quite a few on sunflowers. And the fact is that it looks just like one flower, but in fact it is made up of hundreds and maybe thousands of flowers to combine to make one big flower, and they are called florets. And the florets form to create the seeds, which obviously you can eat today and what birds eat as well. And the sunflowers are part of the daisy family as well, so they're actually made up of thousands of little flowers, sunflowers, not just one. So that has been today's daily fun fact. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's.